guys, I know I haven't posted in a while, and we're gonna start off this video by showing you Bougie. So come on. Hurry up, cameraman. Go too slow. There he is.
But it
And
leaked up here. Have you brushed your hair?
Bougie and Benji.
You need to brush your hair.
Don't worry about that. I know what you're asking. I just wanted to show you guys my Ellie that I got for Christmas. There we go. What was it? Oh yeah. Actually, I forget still, so. Oh, and I'm gonna show you guys my LED lights. Let's try this.
You're pressing the wrong button.
There we go. That's what they look like. And that's, yeah, they turn off. Because they're plugged into a bottom one. So that's what they look like. I'll change the mode. That one. There's that one. There's that one. Pretty boring. And there's that one. There's that, and then there's that, and that. Then just back to the beginning. So, and this is bumpers. Bumpus. However you say it. And cameraman, no slacking with my stuff. Let's go see Bougie again. Actually, I think there's still like stuff in here. There's a tissue. It's got this side. No, it's about here. Nope. Kind of wasted my time a bit, but. This is Benji. He'll play in a lot of videos because he's kind of just a little shy. And that's Bougie. So cute. He starts a lot. Go. Wait. Go. Cameraman, sit here for a second. Hi. What?
Never showed them that.
I know. That's why I am showing it to them. This is my hoverboard that I got for Christmas. And this thing. Jackson, you have to hold it. You're fine. Pretty fun to ride. Jackson! Are you seriously eating Smarties right now?
There's more than shot.
Is that gum?
No.
You're trying to steal a little Yes. Here, cameraman. Yeah, it doesn't work out this good on this picture. I don't know. Shut up. What's better?
Look at me.
What? It looks like you did boots, Jackson.
You mean cameraman?
Cameraman. Blah, blah, blah. Sorry about that. That was my homework. Shut up. Good job. Shut up! Finally. For once you know how to shut up. Oh, are you gonna be bad now? Will you just shut up already? Okay, yeah. So I think I kind of need to plug this in. Bro, this thing keeps shocking me. Anyways. Come here, cameraman. This was our fort that we attempted to build that didn't go so well. This is where we... Oopsies. I guess we can't do that anymore, but that's where we started off the video. Let's see. What should we do now?
It's already 7 minutes long.
What?
It's already 7 minutes long.
Nice. Stop showing them the door. You don't want to see the door. Now let's see if it charged. Yay, it charged.
Ah.